Come test drive this 2009 Nissan Altima. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has not yet reached the 100,000-mile mark. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including delay-off headlights, a tachometer, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, and one-touch window functionality. Nissan also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.